こういうハンドサニタイザーとか、これはスプレーなんですけど、ここにね、kills cold and flu virus って書いてあるように、そういういろんなばい菌さんが売買できるスプレーとか、あとはやっぱりこういう使い捨てのマスク、それからこれも除菌のワイピーですね。こういったものが
Hi everyone, I'm gonna do my video for mask for coronavirus.
Today we went to shopping. All of cleaning material was gone. Empty shelves.
I know there was no bleach, there was no Lysol, no hand sanitizer. I mean, even some of the like toilet papers were like
No,
bought
wipey.
up. The wipies. There you go. They're all gone.
Yeah.
Everybody's shopping like Armageddon's coming.
Then I found loving alcohol at the drug section, and I was gonna go back to my husband, and the lady, saw what I have. She was like, "Where did you find it?" I'm like, "Okay, over there. I'll show you." And I went with the lady, and there it is. And she was like, "Oh, very few. You should buy one more." And she got all. Yeah.
Man, this is getting crazy.
Mm-hmm.
And so all the shelves were empty of the hand sanitizers.
Yes. And there's some other people were asking to the cashier, and cashier was kind of saying loudly, and so she doesn't have to answer same question over and over. So she was like, "We don't have any more sanitizer, and what she was saying."
So what she was really saying is, don't ask me. There's no more.
Yeah, no more. But she was saying nicely, just to announce
Yeah,
mankind.
she's letting everybody know.
Yeah, everybody know. And she was saying, she heard, even if you go to the Walmart, they don't have any.
Yeah, so
Anything?
all
Yes.
the shelves are getting empty because of the fear of coronavirus.
Mm-hmm. And also you see today, right?
Yeah, so everywhere you go, the store shelves are being emptied of anything dealing with disinfectant or antimicrobial.
Yeah. And also, we are looking for the mask.
Oh yeah, the mask.
I don't really see a lot of American people wearing a face mask, but I guess people are buying.
Yeah, they're buying a lot of masks right now. I was shopping, I saw a lady wearing gloves.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the one lady, everything she touched, she had gloves on, so she was concerned about the coronavirus. And another lady had a mask on, and even at the job, I see people walking around with masks and things. So.
Here's a simple way to make a face mask, since we cannot find it in the store anymore. Even Lena can make it. Stay tuned.
And make a protective cloth mask for coronavirus, right?
Yes.
Or COVID-19, as it's officially called.
COVID-19.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
COVID-19.
make my own.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know how to make a.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do it together. Okay.
So
This is what you need: handkerchief and 2 hairband. So this is the handkerchief I have, and if you don't have handkerchief, maybe you can use your, what is it, bandana?
bandana.
What's bandana?
Bandana. See?
What's banana?
No bandera.
Bandana.
はい、じゃあレナいい？やるよ。あるでしょ？こっちの端っことこっちの端っこをこうして半分にします。半分。レナ半分にしたんだよ。半分。半分にするだけ。 そう半分にしました。そしたらこれをもう一回半分にします。そうなんかこっちのバンダナの方が大きいからレイナのちっちゃいおかよりもでこっちの方がレイナにいいかもしれないね。
それが
これが欲しい。じゃあママがね作る。で one more time for the
なんで one more time するの
フォードした。そしたらタラーン This is a hairband hair rubber band、何色がいい？
ピンクとパパ。
ピンクとパープル？
うん。
2つ？いいレイナ。こっちの端っこと
こっちの端っこ。
こっちの端っこに入れてください。
入れれない。
入れれるよレイナ。上手。とっても上手。いいよ。こうするでしょ。そしたらね、ここでチュッチュッってしてください。
チュッチュッ。
そう。You can fold it to the center, and this, you know, it could be like this, it could be like this. It just depends on the, yeah, how big is the handkerchief and also
handkerchief.
your face size. You can adjust anyway. And you can put like this.
I can't do it.
You can do it.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
Too big. The people who wants to go to see. Wow! It's pirate! Dun 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 dun!
I don't know.
ママ、お手
I'm
伝い。
doing okay.
お手伝いが欲しい。
お手伝いするね。Like this. Is it okay? Yeah. So you can wear, you know, like this. Okay. This is for you, right, Edna?
うん。
待ってね。トゥントゥン。トゥントゥン。トゥントゥン。Oh, maybe just side. And you can check. You can just adjust like this. Can you see? あ、レイナここ来ないと見えないよ。How do you feel? Is it okay? Easy breathing? For the half. Another half. And another half. Put the hairband into the side and side. Fold it into the middle. Put it yourself like this and adjust. Pierce, man. I should take it out. But anyway, so then adjust like this. So cover your half of your face like this. Is it okay?
Yeah. Great job.
Yeah. So if you don't have a handkerchief, you can use bandana, and also, you know, if you have something like a cheap T-shirts or even old T-shirts, you can cut it and fold it, and you know, make it reusable mask too. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know, because everybody's going crazy right now buying masks in stores,
Yeah.
Lysol, alcohol, anything you can think of that deals with disinfection is being bought up in the stores. So I think it's a good idea. I like the bandana one really, really good, especially using those little rubber hair bands. You see those at Walmart and dollar stores all over the place.
Yeah, it's still there.
Yeah, so it's real cheap. So while everybody's scrambling for the mask and getting gouged on these online retailers, you know, for face masks that are normally cheap. You can make your own. Just remember, after you wash them, before reusing, of course. That's common sense. And wash your hands. Right? That's the big thing. Washing your hands.
I wash my hands.
Of
good.
course. Oh,
Yes.
That's good.
Yay.
And cover your mouth.
She can be a tiger.
What sound do tigers make?
Roar.
I thought it was meow.
じゃないでしょ。それはないよね。
So the cat did
I
it.
can be a cat too.
샤네코토로고 요로스쿠네. それの赤ちゃんかもしようかな。
せーの。バイバイ。バイ。
バイバイ。